Behind every drain is a complex pipework structure which integrates the entire drainage system. ACO offers complete and reliable hygienic drainage solutions, providing everything from drainage to separation units, including the pipes. Typically located behind walls or under floors, pipes can be difficult to repair, so the functionality of the whole system must be ensured for decades. Once installed, pipes have to be capable of dealing with a number of operational challenges. Commercial buildings, as well as food and drink processing environments, rely on the integrity of the entire pipe system. Unmaintained, clogged pipes can create a backflow of water and cause wastewater to leak back up into the production environment or kitchen, creating a contamination risk as well as a safety hazard. Thermal shocks caused by temperature fluctuation cause expansion and contraction in the material, which can lead to pipe integrity failures in materials with high thermal expansion coefficients. And dynamic shocks, caused by movement in the area surrounding pipework or accidental impacts, can compromise any hygienic environment. Plastic pipes are especially vulnerable to naturally occurring factors, like rodents or fire. Cast iron pipes are also tough to install because of their weight, making reconstruction job times a consuming task. ACO stainless steel pipes are resilient to all of these challenges. Hot water jet cleaning is the preferred method for grease removal in many industries. ACO pipes can be easily cleaned in this way because the durable yet flexible stainless steel expands and contracts less than plastic pipes do in such high temperatures. Stainless steel pipes are also more flexible than cast iron alternatives. When installed in horizontal lines supported by brackets, ACO stainless steel pipes do not flex as much when subjected to gravity, so they can be installed in longer, unsupported sections. ACO pipes are resistant to fire, so they can pass through walls without the need to install any additional connectors or collars to prevent fire from spreading into adjacent rooms. Although stainless steel is impenetrable by rodents, the ACO pipe portfolio also includes the rat stop, an added feature that prevents rodents from entering further into the pipe system if they gain access. Stainless steel pipes can withstand impacts that would be devastating to either plastic or cast iron alternatives. ACO pipe can also bend without breaking, making it an ideal solution for areas with frequent traffic. And finally, ACO pipe is quick and easy to install. Lightweight, yet durable, it is the perfect solution for projects that require short installation times. ACO pipe, the future of drainage.